Good morning. Here we are on our project in Arlington Heights where we're doing a whole first floor renovation. In this project we took out a kitchen that was located in the middle of the house, and we're moving it here into what was the existing dining room and living room, and we're about halfway through the project. Our kitchen cabinets are in order. They're going to be here in about 3 or 4 weeks, and we're, as I say, we're about halfway through the project. We're about another 5 or 6 weeks left in the project. And in this project, the cabinets are going to be in an L-shaped form. We're going to have a nice large island in the middle. Before we started the project, there was a wall here. The kitchen cut off the dining room and the family room. There was a wall back over here. We took out both walls. We put in a large beam above the wall between the kitchen and the family room. We took out the wall between the kitchen and the dining room, put in a large beam here. There was an island, small peninsula, between the kitchen and the breakfast room that was over here. Now that's all going to be wide open. So it's going to be open for concept, and it's going to look great. So thanks for watching our video, and check back with us in a couple of weeks again when our cabinets are going to be installed. Thanks and take care.